What is up, guys? How's it going? My name is MikeTheTech, and today we're going to do a little experiment. So a lot of you have been asking for a direct download link for Windows 10 ISO. Now Microsoft does allow you to make your own Windows 10 ISOs with a copy of Windows 10. You just go to the media creation tool, you download it, and it installs. They also allow you to download the ISO directly if you're on an unsupported browser or an unsupported operating system. So if I went in Linux, obviously I can't run a media creation tool, so it takes you to a page that lets you download the Windows 10 ISO directly. Now these Windows 10 ISOs are not illegal files, they're just the Windows 10 installation media, and without a serial number it will expire in 60 days and just stop working. So I mean, you need the serial number to make it work. So the actual installation media is not illegal, it's just really hard to find because no one wants to, front up the hosting for it. So I'm going to give it a shot and upload the Windows 10 ISO into my Google Drive and share that publicly. And I'm going to leave this up for a little bit while we're still kind of small and have a small sub base. And you can download this directly. And if it happens to get taken down, I'll switch it to a hosting provider and I'll host it there, and I'll contact Microsoft directly and make sure that it's something that they're okay with, because I'm pretty sure that there's nothing illegal about hosting the installation media without any serial numbers or cracks or illegal content like that. So yeah, I'm going to put the link to this download in the description. Basically, the way I made this is I ran the media creation tool, chose a Windows 64-bit Windows 10 installation in English, and I saved it. So it doesn't have a serial number, it doesn't have anything attached to it, it's just the base installation media. So if you need that for a virtual machine or anything like that, this is a good place to get it. So I'll put the link in the description below, and be sure to leave a comment in the description, subscribe, and like. Any way you want to show support, that would be great, and we can continue doing this kind of stuff. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Peace.